Detox juices come in so many different blends. However, there's one thing that all of them share, and that's the fact that they do not come with cheap price tags. What's the use of having the cleanest gut on the planet if your savings are completely wiped out? More often than not, you simply have to get your hands on a few everyday supermarket items that are not only accessible but also easy on the pocket. Cannot wait to detox your gut without shelling out a huge sum of money? Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today I will present 7 foods that help detox your gut. Number 1, water. In terms of gut detoxifiers that won't leave you broke, nothing is as cheap as easily accessible as water. Believe it or not, experts confirm that something as simple as drinking water is more than enough to have your entire digestive tract cleansed. Daily, consume about a couple of liters of pure water to eliminate waste materials and toxins. Number 2, ginger tea. A few times a day, brew yourself a cup of ginger tea in order to get rid of anything that's not meant to stay in your gut for extended periods of time. That's because this herbal drink is capable of activating the self-cleansing properties of your intestinal tract. In addition, ginger tea is flooded with anti-inflammatory compounds that facilitate the healing of your gut, thus enabling it to function optimally and also stay in the pink of health. Number 3, turmeric. Because it's related to ginger, it doesn't come as a surprise, why you may also count on turmeric. What's so nice about this spice is that it optimizes the functioning of the liver and gallbladder, thus fending off issues that can easily lead to the accumulation of impurities and toxic materials in the gut. Number 4, apples. Everyone knows that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Did you know that having this crunchy piece of fruit on a daily basis also helps sweep contaminants out of your intestinal tract? Making apples excellent detoxifiers of the gut is the fact that they are packed with water and fiber. Number 5, leafy greens. When it comes to foods that are packed with gut-cleansing fiber, leafy green vegetables reign supreme. It's for this reason why something as simple as opting for a diet that contains good amounts of leafy greens is more than enough to keep your digestive tract super clean and healthy. The kinds that are members of the cruciferous family of vegetables such as kale, cabbage, and bok choy are especially revered for their incredible ability to neutralize toxins. Number 6, kimchi. A couple of reasons exist why adding kimchi to your diet is perfect for cleansing your gut. First, it's loaded with fiber. Kimchi contains fiber-packed leafy greens that are phenomenal at detoxifying your gastrointestinal tract. Second, kimchi supplies your body with beneficial bacteria necessary for optimal gut health. Number 7, flax seeds. Including some flax seeds in your diet on a regular basis is a wonderful idea if you want to detoxify without the need to get your hands on pricey detox juices. That's because flax seeds are extremely high in fiber that helps promote regular bowel movements. The more regular you are, the cleaner the gut. That's 7 foods that help detox your gut. If you like watching this video, please share it to your friends.